Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about the Marconics of rule and what about the significance of this, because whenever we need to add an reagent that is unsymmetrical to an alkene that is also unsymmetrical, in that case we use Marconics of rule. Okay. First of all, let me introduce to you that what do you mean by unsymmetrical alkyl halide या unsymmetrical reagent. It means that for example you have this alkene in front of you, right. Whenever we will pass a plane through this particular double bond, then right hand side is equal to the left hand side. It is known as what? Symmetrical. Okay. And unsymmetrical mean if you are going to substitute one of the hydrogen with any other alkyl group or any other group, it means that now right hand side is not equal to the left hand side. Okay. It means that now this particular compound is unsymmetrical. In this unsymmetrical alkene, it will act differently as compared to symmetrical alkene, because it will give different products. Similarly, it was the case of double bond, and now if you have a single bond like this is symmetrical hydrogen molecule. Okay. But if we are going to substitute this hydrogen by any X, then if we will pass the plane from it, it would considered as unsymmetrical because here is X and here is H. Okay. Hope this is clear to all of you that what do you mean by unsymmetrical. So, Marconics of rule deals with this whenever you are going to add an unsymmetrical reagent across the unsymmetrical alkene, both of these are unsymmetrical, right. Then what would happen at that time? At that time, always the negative part of reagent will go to that carbon atom which having the less number of hydrogen atom, or you can say which is more substituted. Okay. The reason behind this I will explain it. However, अगर आप इसको देखें, ठीक है, सो वी विल मेक the products like over here. We will carry out the reaction, and during this reaction the products form will be X will attach with this carbon atom. Let me number it 1, 2, 3. So, X will attach with the second carbon atom and the hydrogens will get attached with the carbon number 1. It means that 2 haloalkane जो है it will be considered as product, right. However, अगर आपके पास in another case अगर आप दूसरे product बनाएं, that would be like this RCH2 and CH2X. This product is not formed during the chemical reaction and this form during the chemical reaction, or in other words you can say that approximately 99% you have secondary product. Okay. And only 1% you have this product if it is present in a chemical reaction. Hope this is clear to all of you that what we will do, that whenever there is an unsymmetrical reagent is added across unsymmetrical alkene, then this product is possible. Therefore, I am going to erase this product, right. Why this product forms during the course of chemical reaction as compared to other product, I will describe it in the next video. Kindly subscribe and like this video. Thank you.